everybody.
Hello.
You saying hello? Please stop eating it. Hello. Hudson started already.
Hello.
And just mainly eats it. Hello everybody. I hope you're all alright. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday.
So today we are going to do some Valentine's Day crafts because I thought it'd be good to get them out of the way now so that you can be doing them at home and getting all the little bits in that you need to. This one's in a mischievous mood. Keeps mimicking everything I say. Stop it. Right, so we're going to do some different crafts that you can be doing with the little ones at home. That's really super simple, really easy. So we've got some paints today, so we're going to do some painting, and we've got some card and we've got some canvases as well. So I think we'll start off with our canvases. So
we'll make a lion.
No, that's for school. Just got to make a lion for school, don't you?
I thought we were making lions.
No. So we're going to start off with our canvases. So on our online shop, we are selling these. So I think the canvases are more rectangular than square. So you get a canvas and a pack of classic colour paint sticks. Paint sticks are really, really good for the little ones. And also for you if you don't really like a lot of mess. They dry really quickly, so they sort of dry in about 60 seconds.
You
did. And then you just pop the lid on. So they are just like a Pritt stick. Pop the lid off, and then you just turn it up, and up comes the paint. Really good for little ones as well. But please, what do you want, darling? Not yet. You've got your paper there.
Can I open it? Mommy, can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it. There you go, look. Okay, yeah. You want to do it? On there. You use the green one. There we go. So we're going to use this, and I'm going to show you how they can be done with our paint sticks. I'm going to give you one, Isabella. You can do something Valentine's Day on yours. What do you think you're going to do? Do something for Valentine's? Oh, a heart. A heart is a very good idea. That's Hudson just bringing them. So I'm going to start with Hudson, and I'm going to use his feet. Okay, so I'm just going to move you over a little bit and move you down. So we're going to take the red, and as I say, they do dry really, really quickly, so you have to be super fast. Are you ready? You're going to paint your foot. Oh, you're going to paint that one green. Go on then, you paint that one green. I do sort of need that one in a minute though. Did you know? So yeah, it's got to be really fast. Paint all the bottom of their foot or their hand. This could be really good to do while they're sleeping. If they're heavy sleepers, that is. Obviously, please don't wake your babas up if they're not great sleepers. Don't eat it. So there, we've painted the bottom of his foot. And we're going to push the first one down. Yeah. So there we have his first little footprint. Yeah, you've painted this one green. It's not going to work very well, is it? Oh, it just rubs off. Can we paint this one red as well? Yeah? So we're going to paint again, bottom of his foot, really fast, so it doesn't dry too quickly. This one's gone a bit of a off red colour. You've painted your knee green. That's beautiful. Your toe, can you do that toe there? Can you do that toe? Go on then, so Mummy can have this toe. Thank you. Your toe. Beautiful. So this one hasn't quite gone on as well as the other one because it's got green underneath. Yeah. Oh, there. That's better. Right. So onto his second one, and we're going to push it on our... Ready? That's it. Oh, there, like that.
Everybody, what do you think of my picture?
Oh, it's beautiful, Isabella. Very good. So there we have his little feet. So we've made sort of a little heart shape And then you could continue using the paint sticks if you wanted to, or grab some markers.
I'm getting scissors.
You're going to get some scissors. Go on then. But I'm going to use a marker and I'm just going to write.
Can I just put you in a little bit?
On the bottom. Love you.
Bye-bye.
From the bottom of my souls. So there we have one idea that we can be using our paint sticks for, and our canvases. Really good keepsakes as well. Oh, thank you very much. I'm going to pop that one over there. Oh yeah. And Isabella's from before, she's done a heart with her paint stick. So again, dries really quick, nice and dry already. Leave them there for now, please. There for you. Right, what we after? Calm down. What would you like? You want the yellow.
Mommy, just give me a zebra one.
Right.
Zebra shape.
Sorry. So yeah, so as I said, they are on our website. Isabella, darling, you just concentrate on making your Valentine's craft. Are you going to put some more bits on?
Let's do straight line cut.
No, don't cut the canvases, darling. So that's one idea with our canvas and paint stick. So we're going to start. Oh, there you go. Dear me, can I have that, please? Isabella May, thank you.
Can I have another one, please?
No. You haven't finished this one. We can put some more on here. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to take another canvas and show you what else we can do. So I'm going to try and make a love tree. So I'm going to get the brown. Go down.
Hi.
We're saying hi. And this time we're going to create our tree.
Okay, I'm done now.
You're done now. Just like that. And then we're going to have some branches coming off.
Can I do a tree?
You're going to help me with this tree in a minute because I would like all of your fingerprints. So we've got all of our branches coming off our tree, just like that. And then what we're going to do, Isabella, is you're going to open all the different coloured paint sticks and we're going to use our fingers. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do lots of different colours on our tree with our fingers and just pop it round. Do you think you could do that? You want to do some blue ones? Mummy's going to put one there. Do you want to do one? You want to do purple? Shall we get Hudson to do one? Ready? Wait a minute. Look. Ready? And there. Wow. Bella's turn. Where are you going to put yours? Up there. Wow. Oh, do put lots and lots on. Just keep putting lots and lots on. Very good. So can we do another one? Ready? Oh dear me, someone's not in the best of moods today. Put another one there. Right, so that's what it looks like so far. So I'm going to let Isabella put some more of her fingerprints on. Alright, Hudson, alright. Okay. Oh. Tony's on, look, Bella. Remember Cara's Mammy Tony? Yeah? She says, your picture's lovely. Well, no, please don't eat. No. As I said, please be careful and don't let the little ones eat them. They are non-toxic, but I can't imagine them being too good for their tummy. Hudson, darling, have a paintbrush, sweetheart, and do some painting. Okay. You want orange. I don't really want to give you them because you're eating them. Oh, wow. Check that out. So, as I said, Hudson. No, please calm down. Stop.
Mummy.
Apologies for the noise, everybody.
Mummy,
Yes, Isabella. No, that one's for later. I want to do something special with that one for later.
Oh, just give me some bigger paper.
But you could put some more fingerprints on our tree though. We'll have to get Daddy to put some on as well, won't we?
Ooh, how about I put the falling down?
Oh yes, put some leaves falling down. Very good. Right, so
yellow.
now that we've looked at our... I am going to have to hide all of these from Hudson because he is eating them all. Bella, they're on your chair behind you there, darling, okay? Could you do Mummy a favour and run into the kitchen and get Hudson some chocolate, please? Bella's going to go and get you some chocolate so we can do this, okay? Yeah, Bella's going to go get you some chocolate. Right, guys, so now going to move on to cards. Yeah, super quick. And I'm going to show you some of the ideas that I've already done. You just bear with me 1 second, sorry. Here, there's some chocolate. Can we stop shouting now, please? That's very, very noisy. There, you eat your chocolate. Yeah. Right, guys, sorry about that. Right, let me... Sorry, I'm just laughing at my friend on here. She's saying, this has cracked me up. It's probably because this is what happens. This is real life. So yeah, I'm just laughing away. Right, so I'm now going to move on to some card ideas. And I also got some A6, I think it's A6 card. Did I get some A6 card? Yes, A6 card. And I decided it would be really nice if... Bella, yes, darling. Just one though. I decided it would be quite nice to go off grid and instead of doing cards, making little postcards. So on the back, just using a marker pen, I just made the design of a postcard that would be on the back. So you can write their address and also a little note here and pop their little post stamp. And then on the front, so this is the one that I did yesterday. So it's just Hudson's foot. And I've made him into a bumblebee. And then we've got Be Mine on the bottom. So that was one idea. Then we did some little love bug ones with Isabella's fingerprints. So I've got I've been bitten by the love bugs. And another one was just really super simple. If you didn't want to sort of get stressed out and be taking it too far, we just popped Hudson's hand on and then just wrote on the top, high five to the one I love. And again, it's got the postcard on the back, which you could do. So you could easily just write on that, pop that into the post box. You don't have to put an envelope on if you didn't want to, and send that to the one you love. And then Isabella did this one, well, with a little bit of help from Mummy. So this is her handprint, which has been made into a strawberry. So it says, I love you strawberry much, which I was quite chuffed with, actually. So yeah, so there's a couple of ideas. So we are going to attempt to do one. I'm not quite sure how well it'll work with Mr. Mardy over here. So I'll show you how, oh, and I've had this one as well, which I kind of brought out of the archives, shall we say, which was one Isabella made for her dad years ago. And it's just her footprint made into a little tiger with your great on the top, and then inside it has love from Isabella. So it doesn't always have to be sort of love hearts and things like that. You can add other little bits on as well. Just one. Hudson's already had his, sweetheart. Okay. No, you've already had yours. You eat that one. Come and sit round the side, please. No, you've already had your chocolate. Oh dear. I mean, how's your tooth? Right, I'm going to attempt to try and quickly show you one of the postcards. I know. Have we had enough? Yeah. You've had yours. Do you want one of these? No! Are we going to do a handprint on here? No, you don't want to. So, as I said before, Just grab your postcard. Here.
Can you sit down on the sofa and watch something?
Yes, darling, you can. Anything to keep them happy. We'll give them some more chocolate. Gee, have me. Right. So we grab your small bit of card, okay? And then we want to get. And I haven't brought my ruler with me, so I'm going to use the side of our paint sticks box. So we're going to just go over the side, and then we want to just do our lines down for our address on, your little rectangle for your stamp on the side, and then leaving the other side nice and blank. So we've done our postcard side, and then we're leaving the other side nice and blank. And this time I'm going to use the paint sticks again. So I'm going to do a love bug one, just show you. I'm just going to use my finger because Isabella's wandered off. So we just paint our finger, pop in all of the fingerprints on, like so. And then because it dries super fast, you can actually pretty much paint on it straight away. What would you like? No, you're not having that, darling. And then we get our marker pens, and we just want to write up, create our little love bugs. Green, yeah, you want some green. There you go. There's some green. You've got blue already. You've already got blue. So making each of our fingerprints into our little ladybirds, like so. Okay, giving them the little antennae up there. Really quick. And then on the other side we can write I've been bitten by the love bugs. So again, really quick and easy, and as I said, dries super fast using our paints. Please stop shouting. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there because I think this one wants to Levy's get out and head off. But thank you all very much for watching, and apologies again for all of the loud noise. I hope you're all alright, and I hope you're all keeping safe. Please can we just for 1 second, we'll be back on Thursday. There. Oh, sorry. We'll be back on Thursday with Emma, who will be doing some Chinese New Year messy plate with some spaghetti. And hopefully it'll be very quiet for hers. But we will see you all again next week. Stay safe, guys, and watch what you're doing. Don't forget to head over to our online shop as well to check out our paint sticks and our canvas set as well. There aren't many left, and they're reduced in price too. So head over to there quick. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you all later. Bye.